Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best immersion blenders for soup that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a high-performance powerhouse, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Amazon Basics Multi-Speed Immersion Hand Blender. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who need a no-frills solution for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces. Despite its affordable $24.99 price tag, it packs a 500-watt motor that delivers decent performance for everyday kitchen tasks. The design is simple yet functional, featuring a lightweight and compact build that makes it easy to handle. The elongated, detachable blending stick is a standout feature, allowing you to work with deep pots and tall containers effortlessly. The silicone non-slip grip adds to the practicality, ensuring you have a firm hold during use. While the build quality is adequate at this price point, it doesn't feel as robust as some of the premium options on this list. Performance-wise, it's great for blending soft ingredients and liquids, but it may struggle with tougher tasks like crushing ice or blending fibrous vegetables. This makes it ideal for soups, light smoothies, and baby food. The lack of additional attachments is a downside, but for the price, it offers excellent value for basic blending needs. If you're on a tight budget or just need a secondary lightweight blender, this is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the MasterChef Immersion Blender Handheld. Designed as an official product of the MasterChef TV series, this blender combines style and functionality at an affordable $27.71. It features a 400-watt motor and variable speed control, making it a versatile tool for blending soups, sauces, and baby food. The stainless steel build gives it a professional, durable feel, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. While it doesn't come with a lot of bells and whistles, the detachable blending stick makes cleaning straightforward. Its lightweight design is a bonus, particularly for users who need to blend for extended periods without hand fatigue. However, the 400-watt motor is less powerful than some of the other models on this list, so it's best suited for lighter tasks. In terms of performance, the variable speed control allows for precise blending, and it does a good job with softer ingredients. However, it's not the best for heavy-duty tasks or harder ingredients like frozen fruits. This blender is ideal for those who want a reliable, no-nonsense tool for everyday blending at a reasonable price. While it lacks some of the advanced features of higher-ranked models, it's a dependable choice for simpler recipes. Taking the number 3 spot is the Geniza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 set, a powerhouse with a 1,000-watt motor and 16 speed settings. This blender stands out for its versatility, offering a wide range of attachments, including a whisk, milk frother, 600 milliliter chopper, and 800 milliliter mixing beaker. Whether you're blending, chopping, or frothing, this blender has you covered. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use even for extended periods. The 4-blade stainless steel assembly ensures efficient blending, while the 16 speed modes give you precise control over your recipes. It's particularly well-suited for those who like to experiment in the kitchen, as it can handle everything from silky soups to frothy lattes. However, at 3.64 pounds, it's heavier than some of the other models, which may be a consideration for some users. In terms of performance, the Geniza blender excels in both power and versatility. The turbo mode is a lifesaver for tackling tough ingredients, and the detachable components make cleanup a breeze. While the price is currently unavailable, its robust features and high-quality build suggest excellent value for those seeking an all-in-one solution. It's perfect for home chefs who want a reliable and multifunctional blender. Our runner-up is the ZKB Home Immersion Blender Handheld 3-in-1 set. Priced at $26.63. This blender offers exceptional value with its 1,100-watt motor and 3 versatile attachments: a whisk, milk frother, and blending shaft. It's a fantastic option for soups, smoothies, and even whipped cream. The design features a bell-shaped base and food-grade nylon blade guard, ensuring your pots and pans remain scratch-free. The one-hand trigger speed control is a standout feature, allowing you to seamlessly adjust the speed from low to high with just a touch. The ergonomic grip also makes it comfortable to use during long blending sessions. At 1.98 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for users of all skill levels. In terms of performance, the ZKB Home Blender is a beast. It handles tough ingredients with ease, delivering smooth and consistent results. The attachments are easy to swap out, and the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup hassle-free. The only downside is the lack of a dedicated chopper attachment, but for the price, it's hard to beat the versatility and power this blender offers. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable kitchen tool for everyday use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Turalar Immersion Blender Handheld 5-in-1 set. This premium option is priced at $35.99 and is packed with features that justify its top spot. With an 1100-watt full copper motor, this blender delivers unmatched power and efficiency, making it perfect for everything from velvety soups to chunky salsa blends. The design is both stylish and highly functional. The variable speed trigger allows for intuitive control, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use. The 5-in-1 set includes a whisk, milk frother, 600 milliliters mixing beaker, 500 milliliter food processor, and blending shaft, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. The food-grade nylon blade guard prevents scratches on your cookware, and the UL-approved safety technology ensures durability and reliability. When it comes to performance, the Turalar blender is a powerhouse. It effortlessly handles tough ingredients like ice cubes and hot liquids, delivering smooth, consistent results every time. The attachments are easy to clean, and the lifetime support adds peace of mind. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the superior build quality, performance, and versatility make it worth every penny. It's the ultimate choice for serious home cooks who want the best of the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.